Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dawn and this is Beauty and the Diabetes. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Laurel and Reed August 2021 box. This is normally a subscription, but I only purchased the one box. For right now, I had been subscribed for a short period of time a couple of years ago, and I mean, it was okay. They do have some of the same products that other boxes have, so I really, it's not fair to compare them to other boxes. They have their own unique way of, curating their own boxes. So I have the box here, and we're just gonna get right on into it. Box, and this is how it came, just like that. It's a Laurel and Reed, a Discovery in Clean Beauty, and all of their boxes are like that. They're the white boxes with the black ribbon. Every box I've had from them is like that, and I believe they've been doing that, I think, since their inception. So the card is here. I'll take the box out. So on this, it has a tag attached to it, so I'm making it look like a present. And let me see what the tag says. It doesn't say anything. It just says a Discovery in Clean Beauty, and I will pull the ribbon to see what we have. I know what's in it, so when I saw them go live with the actual products in the box, I was pretty quick to jump on it. And so you open the box, here's the cover, and it comes like this. Okay. I think they packed this box a little different because I ordered something else besides just the box, and I'm dropping that little paper everywhere already. So it says here, there were 3 products in the box for this month. It has the Nini Organics Natura Detox Oil, the Solara Skincare Clean Freak SPF, and the Osea Malibu Ocean Cleansing Milk. I've had the Ocean Cleanser, but I've never used the Ocean Cleansing Milk. So that was something I wanted to try. And I also got something else in the box for this month, which I really like. This is great for me anyway. It's a masking bowl, and it has L and R on it. And I do have a brush that I use to mask. I have a couple, but this is the one I go to most of the time. This is the Mahalo skincare brush. This was in a box I received years ago. I think it was a Clean Beauty box, or it was either that or Beauty Heroes. I would have to go back and check and see if I have that on my channel. I'll go put it up there in the cards. So, but I think this is really pretty, like that. It looks like what you would see at a drugstore or something like that, or like this. I like it that way, and I'll have it for my masking. So the first one I am going to pull out of here is the Osea Cleansing Milk, and the top was open, if that's okay. The cleansing milk alone is retailed at $54, so basically I paid for this, and the other 2 items in the box were free. This was, I think, $12, and that's not bad for a cute little bowl for masking. So I'll take this out, and that is the cleansing milk like this, and it is the good for sensitive, dry, and age-defying creamy cleanser formulated with nature's purest skin soothers. Gently removes surface impurities, calms and hydrates. One of my favorite moisturizers of all time is their Atmosphere Protection Cream. It says it's more for people with oily skin, but I've used it year round. I've put oil in it and just spread it around in the winter time. It was really soothing on my skin. And it does say right on here that this is formulated in California, right there. And they are obviously a cruelty-free brand. But okay, and the next item in the box I have here, if I can get it out, is the Solara Clean Fresh Nutrient Boosted Daily Sunscreen with Plant DFNS, and it is SPF 30 zinc oxide broad spectrum, and the zinc oxide percentage is 20% non-nano. Some zinc can absorb into your skin, the non-nano does not. So I've been using just one sunscreen lately, and I needed another one, and I really wanted to try this in spite of its mixed reviews. So I'm going to actually open it and see. Get it out. It doesn't have a smell or a scent. It is zinc. And let me rub it in. It has the white cast of zinc. It seems to be, yeah, it seems to be dissipating. It's dissipating, so it's not too bad. If it was tinted, probably would be more universal if it was, but people who have really dark skin, I don't know if this would work for them. But it could, because it's just, you can see it by my other hand, it's not really that bad. There's not much. There's still a slight white cast. And the last item in the box is the one that I really wanted to try for, not for me, but for my husband, because he has combination skin. He says he's oily, like on his nose, and I think right around here and a little bit up here, and then the rest of his skin is normal. So, and I have not tried any Nini Organics products yet, and this says on here, this magical detox oil is designed to improve the balance of your sebaceous glands through its linoleic rich oils. The organic, nutrient-rich ingredients that are slowly macerated into the oil will also help improve scar tissue by reinforcing the skin and protecting its acid mantle layer. Perfect for normal combination and acne-prone skin. So he does, you know, he does have that. I absolutely love the color of that. That green. I love that. Wow. That is really nice. I don't believe we need to shake it because it's in oil. I'm going to put a few drops on my other hand to see if I like it. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, I love that. Look at that oil. That is incredible. Love it. So 2 drops here. Okay. You can see it's green. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I love the smell of that. I might keep it for myself. I don't know. I mean, I don't have acne-prone skin, although I do have occasional hormonal breakouts because I'm 56. Yep. I love that. I think he'll like it too. But you can see that in the front. So this is the Laurel and Reed August 2021 box. I really like this box. They also have other boxes, their past boxes you can purchase on their website. Some of them are on sale. Some of them are still the $54.95 plus shipping, but I think it really is worth every penny to get this box. I mean, it just paid for itself, and then the other 2 products were basically free. So this is it for this month, for this box. Let me know if these are things that you would use or anything else you'd like to see me try on the channel. Let me know in the comments below. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, but make sure you hit that like button before you go. Okay, guys, take care. Have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.